everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who is watching and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. I'm just really excited about doing this video, one because it is Valentine's Day weekend, and personally I should have dropped this video on Valentine's Day, but you know, things got a little crazy, okay? Just a little bit. So for this video, as you read in the caption, it is a Valentine's Day special using the Kylie Cosmetics line. She came out with a few lip kits, she came out with an eyeshadow palette, and she came out with some highlighters as well. But I didn't get any highlighters, but I did get one of her bronzers because I'm like, if I'm going to a video, I need to have the essentials. So we're just gonna jump into this video and get started, okay? Okay. Okay, so this is You Are a Gem. It comes with a matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. It comes with a lip liner and it comes with a lip gloss. I really like this trio only because you can't get all pretty all the time, and you know, I'm just excited about all of this, honestly. So just so you all know, I really do like Kylie's cosmetic line. I think it's very original. I think it has just a signature look to it. And she's a Leo like me, so I just wanted to show you all the lipsticks that I actually purchased from her last year, and this one is Head Over Heels and Valentine. So I just want to show you all that. So next I'm just going to show you her eyeshadow colors, and I'm just really excited about that. Okay, so I'm gonna do some swatches because people always say I don't do enough swatches. So I'm gonna swatch Love Bug, I'm gonna swatch Admire, I'm gonna swatch Candy Heart, and I'm gonna swatch Romance, I'm gonna swatch Blush. Okay, and the last one I'm gonna swatch is Heartthrob. Okay, so these are the swatches that I have. From top to bottom is Love Bug, Admirer, Candy Heart is the pink one. I'll just bring it a little closer. And then I think we have Romance, and then Blush, and then Heartthrob. And for today's look, I'm actually thinking of doing something with Candy Heart, which is this pink color. I feel like I need to bring the pink one to you all. And I'm just gonna get started with this video, so let's just jump into it. Okay, so my eyebrows are now filled in. I am going to shape them. I thought that I filled them in off camera to make this video go a little bit smoother, okay? So I will be taking my NARS Amande. This is their soft matte concealer, and I just really like this concealer just to carve my eyebrows, to be honest. Okay, so my eyebrows are now carved out, and basically I'm just gonna blend this out and just keep this video going. They look good today. Okay, so my eyebrows are now blended, they on. So now I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime primer, and I'm going to just base my eyes with this. With me, I'm very natural, so I don't really like doing the whole concealer on the eyelid because I just feel like it's way too much. I don't really know what look I'm going for, but again, I do want to do pink because it's Valentine's Day. So my goal is to just stick with this palette, which might be a little hard because I don't have a real base color in this palette. So I'm just going to take my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to take Admirer, this color right here, and I'm going to take a little bit of Princess, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to kind of make a base for my eye. Excited that this actually has a mirror on it because a lot of palettes don't, and I'm tired of like picking up my mirror to use, so I like that this palette has a mirror. So I'm going right underneath my brow bone, staying within my crease and just getting this all over my eyelid. Okay, so it's like a blush type of base. And again, because I want to be like pink, 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 I'm going to go in with Candy Heart, which is this pink, 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 pink. And I'm just going to take my Morphe M4 for one brush. I'm going to pack that on. Just pack it on. Stipple like motions to kind of get this eyeshadow on my lid. So next I'm going to go on my foundation, but I am going to use my Day Edit primer. I really love this primer as far as filling in my pores and just making everything look smooth, because you know I want to look smooth today. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the color Mocha. And I chose this foundation specifically because I feel like when it comes to me right now in my videos, I don't want to stop. So, you know, just a little motivation for today. So now I'm just going to take my Urban Decay brush. I need a new one. And I'm just going to put it on. And I like to use a brush and not just throw the foundation on, because again, I'm very natural when it comes to my makeup. So I like to put on what is needed, not what I have. So let's say I put too much foundation on and it's just, I'm just blending and blending and blending, and it's like I'm really just wasting the product. So if you put just like 1 or 2 drops on the back of your hand, it just helps distribute the foundation way easier than using, you know, just dropping it on your face. Like, wasteful. Alright, so now that my foundation is on, don't this look good? Don't this look good? It don't look cakey. You know, you want to go out on your date. You don't want your date looking at you like, what is on your face? I don't even know why you even tried today. Alright, anyway, so now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, okay? And this is in the color NC45. Oh, that just popped on. Nice. So I'm just going to take this and go right underneath my eye. Not on the eye, underneath the eye. And I just love this concealer. Like, it's literally so smooth. So now I'm just gonna let this dry down a little bit. So far so good, I'm loving this. Okay, so now I have my beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend this out and we just gonna keep going with the look, okay. So now I'm gonna set my face, and because it's Valentine's Day and it's really cute, well, y'all get me. I'm gonna go with my Patrick Starrr setting powder, and you know, I was dying for this powder. I don't even use the brush, but you know, I do like the powder. So I'm gonna set, dust that off, because you don't want too much. And I'm gonna lightly tap underneath my eyes. Okay, so I felt like this sat for longer. enough. You don't want it to sit too much because then you start cracking on you. So now I'm just going to take my Micro Smooth Powder by Sephora. This is in the number 56. And I'm just going to blend all of this out. Give me some color back, okay? You know, we don't want to look like this on the date, okay? And then I like to just go in with a little of my Cover FX powder, only because it is a little darker than the Micro Smooth, and that's just to kind of warm my face back up. And this is in the color N100. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Urban Decay brush. It's the Naked Flesh brush, and I'm going to use the contour side to apply some of my Hourglass contour. And now I'm just going to kind of blend this out. Okay, so now I'm just going to smooth out this contour with my Kylie Tawny Mami. I think it's Tawny Mami. I think it's Tawny Mami. And this is her bronzer. Has her little drip symbol. And I'm just going to kind of, because I don't like my contour to look, I like my contour to look very soft and very natural. So the natural it can be, the happier I am. And again, I'm not even doing a lot. It's really just to kind of warm my face back up and, you know, even out my skin. I don't want to look like I have a lot going on, okay? Not on, but a lot going on, okay? So now I'm just going to add a little highlight by Aina and Artist Couture. This is in La Peach, and I'm going to add this right on my cheekbones. And I chose La Peach because it has like a pinky color in it, and because I'm going for a pinky look, it only makes sense. This looks really good, okay? So now I'm going with my Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. This is with MAC and Patrick Starrr, and again, pink look. So I just want to add a little bit of this pink blush right on my cheekbones. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with my All Nighter spray. I hate the way it smells, but as you can see, it automatically brought my color back. When you're using powders, you just want to make sure you kind of saturate your face in your setting spray because it just makes it look good. Okay, so as this kind of dries down, I'm gonna go add on some lashes, and then we'll, you know, do the finishing touches on this look. Okay, so for the finishing touches, oh, don't y'all like these lashes? Because I do. So these are actually the Ardell Double Demi. I'm like loving these lashes right now. But now I'm gonna go in with Romance, which is that pinky sparkly color right here. And I'm just gonna add that right in the corner of my eyes. And now I'm gonna add my They're Real primer on the bottom lash line. Lash line, lashes. Oh, this ain't even a primer, this is actually the mascara. So now I'm gonna go with my Climax mascara, and I'm just going to add this right. Alright, so for lip, I am going to use Decay. Okay. I use all these products prior, and I just love it. I love them. I love them. Thank you. I love them. Now I'm just gonna line my lips. So I just want to show you all the lip gloss and the lipstick. I honestly thought the lipstick was a little darker, but I do like the lip gloss. So that's the lip gloss. It's very sheer with a little pink hues in it, and then you have the lipstick. So it does get darker, I guess. So I am going to use both. So I'll use a little bit of the lipstick on my lip. Little pink, definitely pink. I'm not used to this much pink, and I'm just gonna go in. That's how I dry my lips. And I'm just gonna go in my lip gloss. That's cute. That's real cute. And the lip gloss smells so good. Alright, so I'm just gonna go throw on my wig, and I'll be back with how I really feel about this collection. Alright, so this is the final look. Yeah, so I threw a wig on because I have braids in my hair, and I really just did not feel like taking the braids out. I wanted to kind of see how long I could keep my braids in. But overall, I really do like this look. This is really giving me Grease vibes right now, like do 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 do. So that's the vibes I'm getting off this right now. Overall, I really do like the palette. I feel like she did an amazing job with the pigments. I was a little bit concerned about the pigments at first. Like, I thought, okay, they might not be as pigmented as her last collection. Maybe I shouldn't get it. But as you can see, it's very pigmented. It looks really good. There was a little fallout on the palette itself, but as far as my eyeshadow goes, I don't think there was much fallout. The lip, I do like the lip. I felt like the formula was a little different from the last formula that she had, but I could just have not been wearing it as often as I used to wear it. But so I did like the bronzer. I actually love the bronzer because I feel like it's not one of those deep bronzers, but it also has color that actually makes me look very natural. And then overall, you know, the highlight is amazing. Okay, but yeah, I really just like this look. I love this look, to be honest. I just wish I had a different wig. But anywho, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watched, who's subscribed, who will be subscribing after watching this video. And if you have any questions at all, please write them in the comment section below. And again, I want to say thank you, and I will see you all soon. Bye.